or maybe before this thing will be worse, to the extent that I won't be able to go home again. Maybe they will now be looking for my husband's number to call my husband that your wife is lying down here or something like that. Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. So in today I'm going to market. I just want to do mini shopping. I'm not buying something much, just to get little something. I think I'm going to be cooking bitter leaf soup. Okay, so I have other things. I have meat, I have crayfish, I have fish, I have stockfish, I have everything, just that bitter leaf. So I said, let me just go to market and get the bitter leaf. So my husband is going out. I said, okay, let me follow him. It's an advantage for me to go and get what I want. At least let me enter free motor to the market. Then when I'm coming back, I'm gonna take bike and come back. So I said, let me update you guys. Okay, it's likely I'm going to video the market if it's possible, if it's not possible anyhow. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like this video. Okay, subscribe if you're just coming across my channel for the first time. I'm gonna see you in another clip of this video. Stay blessed. I love you. Pepe, like I see 300. Oh, you are well, oh.
Wai, abu yana jogo. Shida.
Customer, walai, that pepper small. These tomatoes are how much?
This one 2.5.
It can be 2.5 again. Yeah? Okay, they go, cha.
How much is it?
Hey, they're going. So, I'm going to see no, yeah.
What do you mean?
No, for me to just say yes. Then go before the experience when I like one. So guys, I'm back from the market, local market I went to. Okay, so now I want to cook. Okay, but first of all I want to wash meat. Okay, I have like I said, I have everything available in the house, just that bitter leaf. But I went there, I saw ede, so I bought ede too. Okay, because I wanted to use what I have at home to make the soup. But since I see ede, I bought ede. Okay, and I bought pepper. Yeah, I still have pepper, but you know, when you go to market, as you see, I don't always go out like that. Okay, so I said, let me just use this opportunity to buy the ede and others. So now I want to quickly start cooking. So that is it. Stay tuned. Okay, don't forget to like this video, guys. Forget to like this video, share. You can share the video. Okay, I'll see you in another thing. Okay, let me quickly show you something. I want to show you crayfish that I bought, and okay, let me show you. This is how my freezer looks like now. So this is the crayfish. Yeah, I want to bring out the crayfish. I'm gonna show you, but I will not open it. Well, I may open it. So this one is meat. Okay, this meat, I bought it yesterday. So I want to wash it and put it inside Ziploc. Take the one I will use today, then put the other one inside Ziploc. Okay. So let me show you this crayfish and tell you the amount I bought it. So guys, this is the crayfish. I don't know if you are going to see it very well. I don't know if you are going to see it very well. But this is crayfish. This is 5 penta. 5 pentas, as they said. I've not measured it anyway. because there is this my friend we talk about crayfish. They wanted to buy then, so they told us that it was expensive there. So later she now called me of recent that the price of the crayfish is down now, that we have to buy. So this one now is 5 pentas. Okay, I bought it for 14,000 naira here. Okay, I bought it for 14,000 naira. So I will pick it when I have time. I will pick it, select it, and package them inside the ziploc, like divide it. Maybe I will divide it penta by penta, like one penta, so that anyone I finish, I will take another one. So that is how I'm going to share it. By then I'll measure it. Okay, so I said let me show you guys. 5 pentas, 14,000 naira. Let me quickly show you the meat. Okay, my husband helped me bought this meat. Okay, so this one here is liver. Okay, I don't know if you can see very well, but it's plenty. Sha is the liver. Okay, so he bought different no mixture of meat. I don't know if the English is correct. So this one here is beef. Okay, so is beef. Okay, and over here is shark. This my camera is not doing justice. The thing is looking small. Like when you're looking at the meat, it looks small, but it's big. It's actually, it's not as if it's too big, but it's okay. So yeah. So this one here is chaki and the roundabout. This one is liver. This one is beef. Okay, so he mixed it for me. So I will wash them now and divide them. That is how I mix them. I will mix them, portion them, put, maybe if I want to cook soup, I will need, like, let me just say 5 livers, 5 roundabout, 5 beef shake. I'll just divide them like that and put it inside freezer. Anytime I want to cook, I will bring out one portion and use it and cook. So I'm about to wash them now. Okay, so guys, I'm done washing the meat. Okay, so now I'm gonna portion it. Hey besties, hi guys, doing? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So it is another day. Okay, after the day I went to the market. Okay, so I remember that this video I've not closed it, so I need to add up. Okay, so I said I'm going to close it now. So guys, honestly speaking, I've been posting because I have some videos available. Yes, I have some videos available, but like for the past, let me say past a week, I've not made video because I'm not too strong. Okay, I'm not too strong, but not everything or anything that happens to someone that you come out to share. Okay, so but I say, because I don't want to go off my channel. I say I don't want to go off my channel. I want to be consistent. Yeah, I promise myself that I'm going to be consistent. Like 2 days ago, 2 days ago, I went out. Like I just said, let me go and paint my toes. So when I went out, my eyes was turning me. So my eyes was turning me seriously. So where I went to, the person wasn't around. So I now stayed in her neighbor's place waiting for her to come back. But I was sitting down there, my eyes was seriously turning me. So but I was just pretending so that people will not notice, what was going on. So when I stayed for long. I said, no, let me just manage and go home before my kids will come back, or maybe before this thing will be worse, to the extent that I won't be able to go home again. Maybe they will now be looking for my husband's number to call my husband that your wife is lying down here or something like that. I said, let me just rush home so that I will know that I am at home. Oh, even if anything is happening to me, I can call and say I'm at home. Oh, come and pick me or whatever. So that is how I put it. So I rushed home. Immediately I just opened entrance door. I couldn't enter inside. I lie down there on the passage. I was lying down on the passage. I was there till my kids came back from school. Ha! I just told my girl to go and undress my son. I was lying down there, so I just managed enter inside. I entered my room, I locked the door so that my son will not come and be disturbing me. So I locked the door, my eyes was turning me, my stomach, I was having stomach ache. So I don't know, the thing was just, so I said, when I was in my room, I stayed for some minutes. I said, no, let me just manage and come out and do homework for my son. Then after that, I'll cook spag because that day I need to cook. So after doing the homework, because my son now he can, because I would have allowed my girl to do the homework for him, but you know children, when they're doing homework, he will not concentrate. He will just do small and play small. You know, I have to follow him like that. But if it is my girl will just use her hand and be doing it and do the homework. You get? So I don't want that because it's going to affect my son. So I say I'll just take it as my work. I used to do the homework, monitor him, guide him. Okay, so I was just sitting down guiding him, because when you are guiding him, he will just be doing it by himself. If he makes mistake, you just tell him to correct himself, tell him what to do. So that is how we are doing it. So I was just sitting there trying to, do everything. So when I finished, I entered kitchen. I was, trying to cook spag. The thing started, like my stomach ache, eyes was turning me. I was crying, I was praying, crying. I said, God, the good work you started in my life is not going to end. It's not going to end sad. It's not going to end unhappy. It's going to end happily. Okay, that was what I said. Like, I cried. When you are crying with broken hearts, I cried with broken hearts. I was singing, crying, telling God to please to finish the work he started in my life. That I was praying. I said, God, the whole world will hear my testimony. Okay, the world will hear my testimony. My family will rejoice with me. My friends will rejoice with me. The work he started in my life is not going to end unfulfilled. That is going to fulfill the work. So I was just crying, doing my work, and was praying and crying. So after that, God hears prayer. My friends, God hears prayer. Anybody that tell you that God doesn't answer prayer, just know that the person is lying. So after that, I continue cooking. When I finished cooking, I ate. I got myself a bit. So when you are seeing this video, just pray for me too. Tell God, pray for me, and tell God that the work he started in my life is not going to end unfinished. That God is going to complete it. Yes, that testimony will be mine. Please forget that my face is shining. At times we pass through a lot that people will not want to share to people, that will not want to tell people, but just say the prayer for me. Okay, guys? So I will see you guys in my next video. Okay, thank you guys for your love and support. God bless you. Bye for now.